Hi, welcome to another Team Tweetin tutorial. This one will be brief. It is a simple organizational tool that you can use to help you stay organized with your time. It is for students, it is for parents, and it is for teachers alike. So hopefully this tutorial will be helpful for everyone and anyone. I may talk a little bit at the end about what you could use it for. But I'm on a new tab. I'm in my Chrome browser and I am in the Google search engine. I'm going to go into my browser and I am going to type in 5 minute timer. Okay, it pops up immediately and begins running in the background. Okay, then I can go back to my work. So whatever my work would happen to be, let's say it's this tab, I continue to work. It works in the background, and when the timer is up, it will beep, which will remind me to go wherever and do the next thing I'm supposed to be doing. So you can set it for 63 minutes, which I had set this one here. So I'm going to just show you that I had set this for a random amount of time. I'll do 71 minutes and enter. It'll ask me to leave the site, and that's so they can start over. It does the math for me. 71 minutes is an hour, 10 minutes and 57 seconds, etc. It's already started counting down. So you can really set this timer for any amount of time. So like I said, this is very handy for anyone, students, parents, and teachers alike. It's available to anyone who has access to the Google search engine. The purpose of me using it is so that my students can manage their time. One of the examples is I sent them on a lunch break. We're doing distance learning and they are to be back at a certain time. It's now day 5 of distance learning. Most kids are finally able to arrive, minus the technical difficulties. They're arriving on time, but I do still have some stragglers, even though I opened the Zoom meeting 10 minutes early. Getting used to that schedule is difficult, so I have implemented this today, and we're going to see shortly if it works. So they were given an amount of time to set their timer for, and they are to be back when that beeps. They have 10 minutes to be back in class. After that, they will be late, and there is a chat message that they'll have to give me and let me know what the reason was, as I need them to start being more accountable for that. They are 5th graders, so I know they can do it. If this tool works for you, I am so happy that this is something that is a valuable tool for you, and I will continue to make more tutorials. So until next time, thank you for stopping by.